Good girl. Awesome.
Hi, Mad.
Hello. Love you.
Good
morning.
Morning. Hi, Zappy.
Hi, Zappy.
Good girl.
Mm.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. To the park to go day camping, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh, this is good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Look, I have crumbs all over.
Hi, Zappy. Oh, comfy naman ni Zappy. Wow. Hey guys, we're finally here at the campsite. Ganda oh. May water park. Diba? Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, and we're setting up the what's that? Pangluto for brekkie. Taray.
Smells good.
Hmm. So, what are you making? Omelette with
It's omelet with tomatoes.
and steak.
Mm-hmm. Do you want the steak with the omelet?
Yeah,
Okay.
syempre. Did we bring the cheese or no?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Okay. Tapos we bought this pandesal at the Filipino store kanina. Ayun.
Nothing ka na.
Lahat mo.
Ayan.
Hindi nasama si Zappy because we forgot the but yeah, she's safe.
Alam mo, ito pang
Pet mode is on sa Tesla, so that's good. Ano yun? But we're here guys, tutulutuan lang kami nito for today. Wala pala tayong dalang
Sardo.
yeah.
Yeah, I forgot, di ba, pinoy up mo pa sa akin?
I know. Yeah, obviously. But yeah, yun ang agenda namin for today. And then we're gonna go on a date tonight for my birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Yeah, it's gonna be my birthday on Monday, so mag-grab lang kami ng dinner tonight. But this morning, ito lang muna. Ganto lang. Try lang mag-vlog. Grabe, serious mode.
It's very new.
I know, right? Alright, so steak is done and then still cooking the omelette. Wow, sarap.
Ano?
O, diba?
Mag-break apart ko to.
Kayang-kaya ng tinidor.
Can't believe it for that.
I know, right? I even told you about it before we left. Yeah! Bakit? Totoo naman ah.
Maninisip ka sa bibili.
Talaga. Alam naman sisihin ko sarili ko. Diba? Alright. Matatapos na. Yes. I'm hungry. So yeah, that's what we prepared for today. Ito din yung mangga lang. Then steak, that's it. And then pandesal. Sarap na?
I think kulang ng konting salt.
Okay.
Just masisisi yan.
Sige. Hey guys, so we're ready to eat. Tapos na yung pagkain. Tada!
Dali na lang natin ito sa sakyan.
Okay, yeah.
Para bigyan-bigyan na lang dati.
Zappy, I know. Zappy's waiting for us for sure. Tatampo na yun. Here. Sarap.
Pili. Meron pa rin?
Meron pa? May bahay po kami ah. Trip lang namin magluto dito.
Alright, here's how we clean it up.
Okay, so mine needs extra steak, so I'm just gonna grab more.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But yeah, this is what we do most Saturdays, right? Yeah, punta lang kami sa park and then cook breakfast.
Or lunch.
So yeah, anong gusto mong pag-usapan? I work from home and my spouse, she's in the military. Yeah. Ayun. Paano ba i-zoom in to? Alam mo ba?
Yan yata, yung...
Hindi.
Forward.
Ginagano ko. Umaakit lalo eh.
Pag yun ano.
Mamaya na lang natin. Tada! that's our girl Zappy. Morning. Ay, my baby girl. Cute girl. Yes, okay, stay. Stay. Alright, yes, we're going home. I know, I love you. Alright, we're ready to go home.
Hindi naman tayo mainit.
I know, this is what we really like sa Tesla, yung frunk. Daming, space.
Extra storage.
Yeah, extra storage to put stuff.
Let me grab the white.
Alright, okay. But yeah, this is a nice campground here in San Diego. Mura lang yung entrance, probably $5, right? Pero yung per night, I'm not sure.
Oh, this is a nice spot too. Tatambay ka lang dito.
Saan?
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Go to park.
Now turn right to stay on Summit Meadow Road.
Para ma-enjoy mo yung view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a pretty nice spot.
I know, right? Alam mo ba magkano ito per night?
It's like 40 something.
Okay, not bad.
In 500
Yeah.
feet, turn right onto San Miguel Road.
Alright guys, so we are finally home. At tignan nyo naman. Tignan nyo naman. Yep. Nagdi-day camp lang siya mag-isa kasi trip niya lang. Yeah.
That's so nice, man. May sama-sama na. Don't talking shit to joining me.
Yes. Anyways. Ay, ano ba yan? Kasi tinatry ko yung kung paano siya. Grabe. So, ayun, nagka-camp lang kami dito sa bahay. Sa driveway. Sabi sa inyo, may bahay kami.
Bahay.
Kulang pa sa'yo yung bedroom natin.
It's so nice here though. Yan mo, nakikita mo lang yung ulap.
Yep, it's right there.
Hello, GGSS. Todo ah.
Tinitignan ko lang kaya yun. Yeah, gusto niya kasi yung Tesla diba? We bought this, air mattress. Mattress hybrid. Yep. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!